Okay, we left it off in our last video that we had this right here. And it is basically the shaped version of our mallet head, which is pretty nice. Now we have to go ahead and actually make the threaded hole, because in our mallet head you can see we have a threaded hole right there. So that is what we're going to do right now, is make that hole. In order to do that, you'll see that I've got my browser window open. If you don't happen to have your browser window open, you're going to go to View, User Interface, and make sure you have the browser button clicked on, because you're going to need that in just a moment. Back to 3D Model, you're going to go to Insert a Plane, because the computer, the way that it operates is it has difficulty understanding putting flat objects on round objects. So we're going to make an imaginary plane or a flat surface according to this. So we're going to click Plane, and we're going to click XZ Plane, and now just click the outside of the object. When we rotate this, you can see that there's imaginary sort of see-through flat object right there, which is exactly how we want it. Now we can draw on this and transfer things through there. So what I'm going to do is click 2D Sketch, click the plane right there, and you can see it sort of clicks to it. Now the beautiful thing is the point of origin is right on our center. So what I'm going to do is click the point tool and put a point right there. You can see it's like a crosshair in a rifle scope. And that's where I'm going to stop, right there, and click Finish Sketch. Now here comes the fun stuff, where we're actually going to insert our hole. Click the Hole tool, and you can see it automatically clicks in with that point right there. And what we have to do is tell the computer, tell Autodesk Inventor, what diameter hole and what threading that we want. So we are going to, right here, click on the thread tool, and it asks us what do we want. So we want size 0.625. Let's see, 0.625 right there. And we want this thread designation, 5/8 by 11 UNC. We want this right here, 0.875 deep, 875. And let's see, the second measurement is 0.625 right there. And let's see, that should be just about everything that we need. So we click OK. When we rotate this and zoom in, you can see that is threaded. And the bottom is angled just like we told it to do. Now the last thing that I'm going to do is on Work Plane, I am going to click Visibility, so now that goes invisible. If you watch it again, Visibility, it makes that plane visible, visibility off, right there. I am going to save this to a nice wood color. You can save it to whatever color you want. And save it as my mallet head. And we're right there. Now that we have that done, I'm going to go ahead and minimize that and start the mallet handle right there. Now the mallet handle is a very easy thing to do. It is a round extrusion. So what we're going to do is just File, New, Part, right there, create 2D Sketch, and we are going to make a circle, and it's 5/8 in diameter, so you can actually, instead of making or doing math, just go 5 divided by 8 right there, and click Enter, and it automatically does the right diameter. Finish Sketch. And let's see, this is, how long? 8 inches long. So we're going to extrude this 8 inches long right there. Okay, we've got that pretty well done. Now all we have to do is click on the thread tool, and it's going to ask us if we want to do it the full length. If we say we want it the full length, you can see that it threads the full length. We don't want that. We want 1 inch. And we're going to click the face. So we want, boom, right there. Now, specification, we're going to figure out what thread we want, and it comes up automatically based on the diameter. It's 0.625, 5/8 11. Click Apply. Close that. Change it to wood again to match everything. And save it as the mallet handle. Okay, so this video we covered how to make the mallet handle. We covered how to make the mallet head. Stop this video, rewind, and replay as many times as you need to get the concept.